Welcome to the world of fun and imagination with our exclusive creation, the Elephant Rocker Double. This vibrant indoor playing equipment is designed to spark joy and laughter in every child's heart. Dive into the soothing shades of green as we unveil the Elephant Rocker Double in all its glory. The enchanting color not only adds a touch of nature but also complements the playful spirit of the equipment. Crafted with precision, our Elephant Rocker Double boasts ideal measurements to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for your little ones. As a leading manufacturer, we take pride in delivering quality products. The Elephant Rocker Double is built with durability in mind, promising hours of endless joy for your kids. Whether it's a rainy day or just a regular afternoon, the Elephant Rocker Double is a perfect companion for your child's playtime adventures. Hit play and let the Elephant Rocker Double transform your child's playtime into a magical experience.